So in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to build insanely profitable funnels with the best funnel builder, proven to make money templates, built-in mailing system, and all the features without spending money every single month. Seriously, you're going to see inside the members area for yourself in this video, so have 100% full transparency of exactly how you will be able to create dynamic and profitable funnels instantly without overcomplicated or expensive tools getting in your way. Imagine you had access to the best funnel builder and it was actually affordable. Introducing our funnel builder called Profit Funnels. We highly recommend you pay attention right now because we're about to show you what Profit Funnels can do for you and your business. Let's take a look inside the hood. Profit Funnels are not like the typical clunky funnel builder pretending to be a ClickFunnels alternative. We have a full drag and drop interface that works seamlessly and what you would expect of a premium funnel builder. Profit Funnels includes all the features you need. You can start from scratch or you can select one of our premium templates that we're including for free. The editor has fully customizable and user sensibility in mind. Drop in headlines, videos, countdown timers, JavaScript, images, etc. Yes, anything you can imagine you'd need in a funnel, you've got it. All the engagement tools you need to create a profitable business of your choice is at your fingertips. But the good news is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You have instant access to every template you need to get up and running fast. The templates have generated millions of dollars in sales online. Just point, click, edit, and save. This also comes with a powerful built-in autoresponder mailing system. You can use this option to mail all of your subscribers and customers. It's as simple as activating the SMTP and you're good to go. And that's only a glimpse of what you're getting. This also has full tracking of all stats, a gallery of images you can pull on demand, and dozens of other features I don't have time to list in this video. This is an all-in-one business-in-a-box funnel builder that you would expect to pay at least $97 per month for. After all, that's what the other guys are charging. You know who I'm talking about. But you don't need to pay $97 per month for this. You don't need to pay $47 per month. You don't need to pay monthly at all. We're giving this away for almost free, just a one-time small investment, and no other charges or expenses needed to make this work. So why are we doing this? Well, the truth is, we're tired of seeing people shell out huge amounts of money to get ClickFunnels or Converttree. Those guys only care about what's in your pocket, and we hate that. In reality, you really don't need to get ClickFunnels, you don't need Converttree, you don't need GrooveFunnels, you just need a funnel solution that gives you the right features. In many ways, Profit Funnels is actually a lot better than those guys. It has all the same features, but even does a few things that those other solutions don't do. For example, our premium templates are actually the same templates that we use online to make significant amounts of commissions every day. They're not just thrown in templates to say we did it for Profit Funnels. We actually use this stuff, and we highly recommend that you use our templates too. And our included mailing solution saves you from having to get an autoresponder, which also saves you thousands of dollars every year. Once you get Profit Funnels, you really don't need anything else. It does absolutely everything you need it to do, and it's all included in just one platform. But let's clear this out of the way first before you get your access. Yes, this is our product. Yes, we are biased. Yes, we are proud of our product. And yes, it is a one-time investment to grab this. And on top of that, it comes with a 365 days money-back guarantee, so you have no risk. The other guys aren't doing that. And they're charging more than us, as well as dinging you every month. So what do you say? Want to give Profit Funnels a test drive? We highly recommend you grab this, since it legitimately has all the features you need and there's no risk to try it for yourself. Seriously, try our funnel builder. You'll be glad you did. Just imagine, you're only moments away from accessing our templates, dynamic funnel builder, email funnels and more. To learn more about Profit Funnels, scroll down and view the details on this page. Once you're done, click the button below to become a lifetime member. We're waiving the monthly fees for now, but this will be $97 per month in the near future. Don't miss out, don't delay, get your copy right now, and we'll see you in the members area.